Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Form Validation Overview in JetFormBuilder. JetFormBuilder is a popular WordPress plugin that allows users to create complex forms with ease. One of the key features of this plugin is its form validation capabilities, which ensure that the data submitted by users meets specific criteria before it is processed or stored. This tutorial provides an overview of form validation in JetFormBuilder, including its types, how to implement it, and code examples. What is form validation? Form validation is the process of checking user input for correctness before it is submitted to the server. This can include checking for required fields, ensuring that data is in the correct format, and validating that the data meets business rules. Proper validation improves user experience and enhances data integrity. Types of form validation. 1. Client-side validation. This occurs in the browser before the form is submitted. It provides instant feedback to users. 2. Server-side validation. This occurs after submission, where the server checks the data before processing it. It is crucial for security and data integrity. Implementing form validation in JetFormBuilder. JetFormBuilder supports various validation rules that you can apply to your form fields. Here's how to implement form validation in JetFormBuilder. Step 1. Install JetFormBuilder. First, ensure you have JetFormBuilder installed and activated on your WordPress site. Step 2. Create a new form. 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard. 2. Navigate to JetFormBuilder, add new to create a new form. 3. Add fields such as text fields, email fields, etc. Step 3. Add validation rules. For each field in your form, you can set specific validation rules. Here's how to add validation to a field. 1. Click on the field you want to set validation for. 2. In the field settings, look for the validation section. 3. Choose the appropriate validation rules from the drop-down. Common rules include: required, the field must be filled out. Email, the input must be a valid email format. URL, the input must be a valid URL. Min/max length, set minimum or maximum character limits. Example, creating a simple form with validation. Let's create a simple contact form with validation rules using JetFormBuilder. 1. Create the form. PHP. / add this code to your theme's functions.php or a custom plugin. Add _action, jet_form_builder /register, function. jet_form_builder, -register_form. ID equals contact_form. Title equals contact us. Fields equals ID equals name. Type equals text. Label equals your name. Required equals true, / make this field required. Validation equals required equals true. Min_length equals 2. Max_length equals 50. ID equals email. Type equals email. Label equals your email. Required equals true, / make this field required. Validation equals required equals true. Email equals true. ID equals message. Type equals text area. Label equals your message. Required equals true, / make this field required. Validation equals required equals true. Min_length equals 10. To display the form on your site. You can display your form on any post or page by using the following shortcode. Plain text. jet_form_builder form_id equals contact_form. Handling validation feedback. JetFormBuilder provides built-in feedback for users when validation fails. You can customize the error messages for each validation rule using the plugin settings. Conclusion: form validation is a crucial aspect of form handling in web applications. By using JetFormBuilder, you can easily implement both client-side and server-side validation for your forms, ensuring that the data entered by users is accurate and secure. With the example provided, you can create a simple contact form with validation rules tailored to your needs. Additional resources: JetFormBuilder documentation, https://jetformbuilder.com/docs. WordPress Codex on Form Validation, https://codex.wordpress.org/function_reference/wp_verify_nonce. By following this tutorial, you should be able to implement form validation in your JetFormBuilder forms effectively. Happy form building!